Audio Jungle.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to welcome you to Five Loaves and Two Fishes. And today we are making eggplant chicken pita. And for eggplant chicken pita, Byron and myself, we have prepared these items for you.
Okay, here's the breadcrumbs, black pepper, this is diced tomatoes, roasted bell peppers, this is a special seasoning, this is minced garlic, this is a half a cup of olive oil, this is balsamic vinegar, 2 tablespoons of salt, chopped onions, and a cup of flour. We're going to actually make the chicken. We're going to actually take a cup of flour. We're going to dump the cup of flour so you can actually batter. You can batter the chicken. You're going to take a cup of breadcrumbs. You're going to pour it in something flat because you're going to actually dip that into the egg batter. Okay, what you want to do, get you about 2 tablespoons of salt, mix it in with the flour. About a tablespoon of pepper, you're going to mix that in with the flour. And you're going to mix in about 2 tablespoons of the special seasoning. Okay. And then what we're going to do, we're going to actually take the chicken breast. Okay, we're going to dip the chicken into the flour. Okay. And then into the egg batter. And then into the breadcrumbs. And that's going to be cooked in some olive oil. Okay. So what you got? You got chicken, egg batter, flour, breadcrumbs, and then straight into the breadcrumbs and onto the hot olive oil. All together earlier, we're going to actually put all this onto the grill.
To a pan medium high. Or a cloth so that you can drain your chicken once it is completely fried. That's really good.
And I'm also going to flip the chicken over a little bit. It's going to sit in olive oil for about a minute.
Wow, they look delicious. With a little bit of olive oil. The best way that we found to do this is you'll cut the top of the pita bread open, maybe about a half an inch or so. You can discard it or use it for garnish, and then you'll lay it on the grill. So it'll get nice and toasty.
Meanwhile, I'm going to remove the cooked vegetables, the garlic, roasted onions, and eggplant for the filling for the pita bread. Like this.
Delicious.
Okay.
On the other side. And just to warm it up, you don't want it to get too hard.
We use this warm. We're going to actually remove that and stick it in a basket or a plate. And what we're going to do, we're going to actually put the filling. We're going to actually put some of the chicken. We're going to put some of the, we're going to put some of the roasted, the vegetables in there. Another layer of chicken. Another layer of eggplants and vegetables. And then we're going to actually top it off with some grated cheese. Okay, there you have it. Okay, here you have it. Roasted eggplant chicken pitas. Alrighty?
Nice.
Okay. Thank you for watching 5 Loaves of 2 Fish. Hope you enjoyed it. Please stay tuned for more of our show. Thank you very much.